Hi, just a quick screencast here going over the media in WordPress. So you'll notice the last three media items, I'm here in the media library, and the last three media items we had to delete because they weren't compatible with the WordPress system. Could have been any number of reasons that they weren't. But as you can see here, we went ahead and restored the homepage to the way it was before and restored the original news item 1. Um, and the reason that everything down here stopped loading is because WordPress got to where this image right here was going to be loaded, and for some reason the image would not load. And since the image would not load, then WordPress just stopped loading the remainder of the page. And so you didn't get any of the footer down here, didn't get the copyright text, and didn't see any of the other recent news items. So for some reason, the last image that was put in there for some reason was not compatible with WordPress, and this could be any number of reasons. It could have been that the size was too large, which is quite often the reason. Could have been that it utilized indexed color. WordPress is very touchy when it comes to any type of images that use an indexed color. It could have been any number of reasons. To really know, what we would need you to do is to actually send the media to us via email, and then we can go ahead and take a look at it, and I can let you know whether or not it would actually, that WordPress is going to have a problem with it, or I can also let you know whatever the problem that WordPress is having with it, what you can do to go ahead and resolve that. Usually you can, with a photo editing program, go in, and if it's using index color, you can change it to a standard RGB color that's not indexed, and then just go ahead and save it as as a regular JPG file. If you guys don't have something like Photoshop or another photo editor, the GIMP is an excellent photo editor, the GNU image manipulation program. They call it the GIMP, GIMP, and you can get that actually just gimp.org. But you can just, matter of fact, you can just Google it and you'll get about 100 places to go download the GIMP, as a matter of fact. But when uploading media into WordPress, you come right over here in the administrative interface and click on Media, and then just click on Add New and add media in. And when you add media in, come back over here to the library and you'll see the last few items that were just added in. If you don't see the picture showing up over here, right next to the name of the item over here and the type of item that is, then for some reason WordPress isn't able to use that particular media. And you're going to know, then what you'll want to do is just take that media and send it to us so that we can tell you exactly why WordPress isn't going to be able to use it, and then we can figure that out. At this point in time, we don't know why WordPress wasn't able to use it. They just look like standard JPG files to us. They were a bit big in size, but WordPress for some reason did not like them. So I'm not exactly for sure what the problem was. So as I said, in the future, just be sure to send that to us, and we'll be able to tell you. But if they do show up over here, then you will know that they can be used on the site. You won't have that problem when the site tries to load the anybody tries to load the site. So, but if they don't show up over here, then just to let you know, WordPress is not able to use them for whatever reason. So, anyway, if you have any more questions or concerns, just let us know. Thanks.